In this video, we will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on this Chevy Silverado 1500. We'll be doing this from inside of the passenger compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To reset the engine oil life monitor, we're going to take the key and put it in the on position without the vehicle running. Now once you've done that, let's pay attention to the center dash. You can see where it says change engine oil. To reset this, I'm going to be using the accelerator pedal. We'll push this all the way to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds. Now once you've released that, we should have a look up along the top here and it should tell you that the oil life has been reset. Once you've seen that, you can go ahead and turn off key power. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.